Hey, get some from the blue.
Oh.
Yeah, Braxton.
That is great.
Why don't you get some from here, Braxton? Get some from this one. You have to stand on it. Stand over top of it, then it works. Braxton, you gotta go in the middle. Ah, you're asking for it. No, it's Braxton's. Here, buddy, get it. No, here, he's not gonna do it. Jeez, you would think it's poison. Oh wait, look behind you. Don't look. He's looking for you.
Go get Cole.
Go get him.
Cole wet.
Cheers. He wants to cheers you. Cheers. He doesn't know and then does it.
He does the full.
Yeah.
Full flip. Hey, you stand out here, buddy. You go like this.
Oh,
nice. Hey, Bill. Someone's getting it right in the face. It is cold too.
I gotta rain my eyes.
Mr. Cautious.
Not me. You broke your glass already.
Not
No,
me.
I said not.
Not me either.
Look at that. That's his speed right there. Filling it up. I wish you could control him. Uh-oh. Now do it. You have a hole in your cup, you know that, right?